Covideo can now be added to your digital vehicle presentations directly within your iPacket account. To record a new video or add an existing Covideo to a presentation, create a new packet and scroll down to the Covideo section. Click into the section to add a video. The first time you open the integration, you'll need to log into your account using your Covideo credentials. Then, you'll be brought directly to your Covideo library. To send an existing video from your account, just select it, then click Attach Selected Video. The video will now appear in your packet. To create a new video for the packet, click Record in the integration. A new tab will open with your webcam. Once done recording your video, upload it to Covideo and exit the tab. Now, click back into the integration, and the new video will be right on top. Add the same way as shown with existing videos. Once a video is attached to the packet, it can be changed or removed at the top of the integration. When you're happy with your video, the rest of the packet can be filled in and sent off like you would with any other packet. Using the Covideo integration in the iPacket mobile app works in much the same way. Pressing the Covideo button will pull up your video library like before, with access to all of your videos. Just select the video and attach it. Or record a new video straight from your phone by clicking the Record button.